Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can replicate this page using the GemPages page builder on Shopify. So this is the page. So let's view the whole page. You can see, and we are going to use GemPages page builder to replicate this page. So stay with me, I'll teach you step by step. So let's get started. So by the way guys, if you want to buy this ready-made template, just to go to this website. I'll give you this link on the video description so you can get it, and this is the page you will get. So just click on here and just click on buy this funnel. So you get the GemPages import file once you buy this product. So let's get started. So first of all, go to GemPages page builder and then go to pages. Now we have to create a new page. So just click here and choose version 7. So this is the updated version of GemPages. Now you have to select product page and then just click on start from scratch. Yeah, now let's make the first section. So you have to take a row here, just click and drag it here. Now you have to remove padding. Also you have to remove padding from the section. Now let's add an image. Just copy this image address and just paste it here. We have to make this row full width. That's it. Now let's move to the next section. So this is the next section. So we have to add 2 rows here. Just click and drag and remove padding. Also remove padding from the section and add some padding, 10 pixel top and 10 pixel bottom. Now we have to add this image, and we can see the image size is 125 pixel. Just click on this plus icon and you scroll down and just take images and put it here. And now replace the images URL and make it left aligned, and the width will be 125 pixel. Also we have to make this row center aligned, so just click on here, it will be center. Now let's add this text. So just click on this plus icon and you have to take a paragraph here and make it right aligned. And the font, let's see the font. You can see they used Montserrat font on the whole page. So the font will be Montserrat. The font size will be 18 pixel and the font color will be black. The line height will be 100%. That's it. Now let's preview this page. Also you have to hide header and footer. Just uncheck this and click on apply settings. Now let's see the preview. You can see this is our page. Now let's add this part. So we have to add this part using custom code. So just copy this element and search HTML. You'll get custom code. So just before I add this custom code, we have to add a row. So just take a row here and remove padding. Also remove padding from this section. Now we have to add this custom code. Just take it here and we have to set the margin top 10 pixel. Just double click here and you will get the code editor. Just paste this code and click on save. Now we have to add some CSS, so let's see. So you have to copy this CSS code, share, yeah, that's it. Now let's click on save, and yeah, it's perfect. Let's see the preview. Yeah, now it's okay. We have to make this font Montserrat, so just again go to CSS and let's add the font family. Will be Montserrat. Yeah, I think now it's perfect. So now let's go to this section. So let's add a section, and the margin top will be 10 pixel. Remove padding. And you can see this is 2 parts, so we have to add a 2-part row. Also it will be product section, so just search on here product, and you have to add this element. Yeah, that's it. So now we have to add 10 pixel margin from all sides, and you can see this is 2 row. Yeah, now it's okay. So we have to upload this product on our Shopify, so let's upload this product on Shopify. Just click on add product, and this is the product title. Now we uploaded all product images, so now just click on done, and we have to add the product price. So let's add 39.95. So this product is only for testing purpose, so we just uncheck this part, and now just click on save. Yeah, now we can find the product, so let's see. Yeah, just select this and click on confirm. Yeah, it's okay now. So now we have to customize our product carousel. So let's customize it. And we can see a box shadow. So let's see. So this is the box shadow. The border radius will be 10 pixel. The padding will be 20 pixel. And it will be 10%. Yeah, that's it. Now let's delete this part, so we don't need this part. Also we don't need this buy now button, so let's fix this headline first. So you can see the font color is dark and font family will be monoserial and it will be 30 pixel, bold. Let's make it extra bold. Yeah, I think this one. And we have to, yeah, it's already on 30%. This is line height, so now it's okay. So let's add this part. So we have to add a row, and the margin top will be 10, bottom will be 5, and the column gap will be 30 pixel. Make it vertical align center. Now let's another row, and it will be fit content, 10 pixel padding, also you have to add a box shadow here. And the border radius will be 10 pixel. Now it's okay. Let's add this image. So before add this image, we have to add a row here. And this is the row background color, and the border radius will be 10 pixel. Just add this background color here. Now let's add this image. And the image size will be 55 pixel. Let's make this row 75 pixel. And we have to add 10 pixel padding. And now it's okay. So let's add this part. Let's add the font family, and we can see the font size is 14 pixel. This is the font color. The line height will be 100%. Let's add this text. So you can see this text is 20 pixel. Just copy and just select this text and duplicate it, and this text will be 20 pixel and it will be bold. Now let's see the preview. So this is the preview. Let's add some padding. Not padding, it will be margin 5 pixel top, and left will be 15 pixel. It's okay now. Let's make it mobile responsive first. You can see the font size is 10 pixel and it will be 14 pixel. So let's select it, it will be 10 pixel, and this one will be 14 pixel, and the line height will be 100%. And we have to select this row and make it 2 column in mobile. Also we have to make this row 30 pixel. And the padding will be 5 pixel. Let's see the image size. You can see the image size is 20 pixel. So you have to add 5 pixel padding on this row. and margin left will be 10 pixel. Also you have to remove margin bottom. Yeah, now it's okay. So let's duplicate it and put it here. Now just change this image and change this text. Now let's add this part. So you have to add a text block. You can see the font size is 18 pixel. The line height will be 1.4, so it will be 140%. Also you can see the font weight 600, so let's make it semi bold. Now we have to add 5 pixel padding and 5 pixel margin from top and bottom. Here it's okay. Now let's move to this section. So we have to add a row. The margin top will be 10 pixel. We have to add another row inside this row, so just duplicate it and put it inside here, inside this row, and make it 2 column. Also it will be fit content. Now let's add this image. You can see the image size is 61 pixels, so just take an image and let's make the image with 60 pixels. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's make it vertically center aligned, and we have to add some column gap, so let's make it 15. Let's add this text. Just take a text block and paste the text here. Let's see the font size. This is the font color, and we can see the font size is 20 pixels. The font family will be Montserrat, and it will be bold. The line height will be 100%. Yeah, this part is done. So now let's add this part. So we can duplicate this row and copy this image. You can see the image size is 25 pixels. Let's add some margin left. Let's copy this text. You can see the font color is black and the font size is 18 pixels. The font weight will be semi bold. Let's add some more column gap. Yeah, now it's okay. So we have to duplicate this part again 2 times. Now let's change this text. Let's see the preview. So this is the preview. We can see it's perfect. We just missed this part, so let's add this part now. So this is a button, so let's add a button. Just paste this text, and the margin top will be 5 pixel, bottom will be 10 pixel, and we can see the padding is 5 pixel top bottom and 10 pixel left right. Also you can see a border 1 pixel, and we have to add some border radius. So we can see the border radius is 4 pixel. Also make it make it 285 pixel. We have to remove border from here, and also the border radius, so we have to add it here. Border radius will be 4 pixel. Let's make it auto, fit content. So now we have to change the background color. So this is the background color. Let's fix the font. We can see it's Montserrat. The font size will be 14 pixel. It will be bold. The font color will be black. We have to add 20 pixel margin top on this product image. Yeah, now it's okay. So now let's add this part. You have to add a text. The padding will be 5 and the margin top will be 15. The font size will be 23 pixel. The line height will be 100%. and you have to make it center aligned. Also it will be bold. Now you have to add this part, so just copy this custom HTML. So let's copy this code and put it here. Remove all HTML code and paste the new code. Also you can see 10 pixel margin top and 20 pixel margin bottom. Now we have to add CSS code, so let's copy this code and go to CSS and remove all CSS code and then just put this code. Also we have to add this animation, so just go here and to copy this code. Yeah, now it's working perfectly. Also you have to add this animation. Yeah, you can see now it's working. Also you have to make this font Montserrat. I think now it's perfect. You can see the font size is 14 pixel. Just reload again. Yeah, now it's okay. So now we have to add this 3 product. We have to add a row with 3 column. The column gap will be 14 pixel. Margin top will be 30 pixel. So let's add this product first. So we have to add a row inside this column, and you can see the margin 5 pixel from all side and 3 pixel border. The border radius will be 8 pixel. let's add this headline. Make it center align, and we have to add 8 pixel padding. Also we have to add the background color. Border radius will be 5 pixel from top left and top right. The line height will be 1.1, so it will be on 100% and 10. Let's see the font size. Now we can see this font size will be 11 pixel, and for this one will be 18 pixel. And the font color will be white. The font weight will be bold. Let's see the preview. It's okay now. So now we have to add another. We have to add a image. So let's add the image under this. So we have to add this image under this row. So just increase the margin bottom and take it. Have to add this background color on this row. Let's add this text. Make it center align. Margin top will be 10 pixel and padding will be 5 pixel from all sides. We can see the font size is 18 pixel, and this is the font color. The line height will be 100%. Also we have to make this part bold and this part row. Now let's add this text. So we can duplicate this text and replace it. Just to remove margin top. This is the font color. You can see the font size is 31 pixel, and for this text will be 23 pixel. Just select this text and make it 23. we have to add this text, so just add this text and make it center align, and you can see the border background color is this one and the border radius is 500 pixel. Also this, so it will be 70% and it will be center. We have to add 5 pixel bar padding. Let's make it Montserrat and the font color will be white. The font size is 14 pixel. Line height will be 100% and make it bold. This one is okay. Now we have to add this button, add to cart button. So let's add a button, so it will be add to cart. Let's choose it simple, make it center align. We have to add 20 pixel margin top and left right will be 20, margin top will be 15, it will be full width, so let's make it full. Add margin top 25 pixel and padding top bottom will be 15 pixel. Let's add this background color. Line height will be 100%. The font size will be 18 pixel and you can see it's bold. We have to add some border radius and we can see a box shadow. So the border radius will be 4 pixel. we have to add a box shadow. Now it's okay. Now let's add this image. You can see 10 pixel margin. So just take an image under this button. Let's add 10 pixel margin. Now we have to add this part. So you can see this is a image. Just duplicate this image and remove margin. Just add 10 pixels from top. Let's see the preview. You can see it's perfect. Now we have to duplicate this row. Let's add this text. You can see padding top bottom 8 and left right will be 5. Make it center align. This is the background color, and you can see the font color is black. The font size will be 13 pixel. The line height will be 100%. And the font weight will be bold. Yeah, now it's okay. Let's add this background color here. We have to add 5 pixel border radius for this image and make it 0 from top left and top right. We have to add negative margin. This part is done. Now we have to add this accordion, so let's search it here. Let's copy and we have to add a paragraph here and paste the text here. So let's make it perfect. We can see the font size is 16 pixel. So the heading font size will be 16 pixel and it will be non-serif. Let's copy the color code. Let's add this arrow icon. So just select light and search arrow. Scroll down, you'll find the arrow. Yeah, this one. This one will be let's search it. It will be this one. Now we have to add some padding of the header. So let's add the padding. You can see the padding is 15 pixel. Also we have to change the border color. So this is the border color. Now let's make this part same. So we have to add some padding. So let's see. Also the header line height will be on 50%. 20 pixel top, and left right will be 10 pixel. Also you have to add some padding on this text, make it more zero, and you can see the font size is 16 pixel and the color will be black. And the line height will be 140%. We have to add item gap will be 10 pixel. Just we have to make this part bold. Now it's okay. So now just delete this two row to FAQ and just duplicate this one. The first section is almost finished. Just remove this one. So let's add this one. To add a row, the margin top will be 10 pixel. Make it fit content. Let's add an image. The image width will be 80 pixel. We have to add another row here and make it fit content, vertical center. Pixel padding, and margin left will be 6 pixel. The font size will be 18 pixel and the font weight will be 700. So it will be bold and the line height will be 100%. Let's add this star icon. You can see the star icon width will be 100 pixel. Now let's add this text. Add 10 pixel padding. The font size will be 14 pixels. Let's see the preview. Yeah, our first section is done. So now let's make it mobile responsive. Go to mobile view. We have to duplicate this image and just go to advanced and hide on mobile, and select this image and hide this image on tablet and desktop. Now just change this image. So we have to hide this on mobile and make it center align. The width will be 60 pixels. We have to add 8 pixel margin, just 10 pixels from top. Let's fix this. We have to duplicate this custom code and hide this on mobile, and select this one and hide this on tablet and desktop. Now just copy this HTML code and paste it here. Here's the canal. And we have to duplicate this row, hide this on mobile and select this one, hide this on tablet and desktop and move it on here. We can see it's a new section created, so just add this under this. So we have tried a new section, so just delete this section and select this section and hide this on tablet and desktop. Now let's remove this padding. we have to add padding left right 10 pixel. Now let's go to this section. We have to make it center. Let's just fix the font size, make it center, and it will be 22 pixel, 16 pixel, and it will be center. Let's remove the margin left and margin right, and the padding. We missed this part. So now let's just fix this. Line height will be 140%. So we will fix this part on the next video, and we will make this part on the next part of this video. So stay with me, and thank you for watching this video.